Next time, you're in Japan, try it. Ito na yung pod. Ito na, ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much.
Hey girl, come on, Mom.
Let's go.
Ano yan?
Unlimited ticket
Saan mo?
for this one.
So guys, nagbibenta sila. May unlimited na 6,000 yan. Promo rate. Tapos unlimited ka ng snowmobile. Yung ano yung hinahatak na parang nasa...
Parang toboganing.
Yun. Ano?
Pero merong maghahatak.
May maghahatak. Tapos parang banana boat pero sa snow. Pero,
Oo, tama.
Tapos yung isa... Ano yung isa?
Buggy.
Basta parang ganun. So, 1.6 isang ride. Tapos 3 to 5 minutes siya. Pag mag-unlimited ka, 6K. Eh, sabi niya, una daw kaming bus nung arrive dyan, which is ang ganda. So, push. Muna kami ni Archie. Si Archie yung sumama sa unlimited. And we're the first bus here. So, in fairness, ang saya naman talaga. So, diba, pasok na kami sa B-By Snowgrad. So, ito yung loob. May mga lockers rin sila, guys. Nakami na ni Archie as always kasi hindi kami board. Snowboard.
Yeah, snowboarding. So, dito kami babawi. Ayan na.
Ang ganda.
But the first one.
Ay. Blizzard to eh.
Malakas na siya, Tim. Hindi lang siya ako. Japan lang siya.
First, kuha mo tayo ng helmet.
Pag ganun na siya.
So guys, you get your helmet here first. And then, may snow rafting dito. Ito parang banana boat na nasa snow. Ganyan siya. And then, meron kang four-wheel dune buggy. Diyan. And then, the other one is yung mini snowboard. So, yes, lahat ginawa namin. And then, ay, bakit wala itong snowmobile touring, no?
Saan ito, touring?
Hindi, touring na. Ayan, no, may kids park pa siya, guys, dito. And then, ito, may Yuki Unagi, but it's closed.
Kakaiba ba?
Ito pala free, oh. Pwede rin kami pumunta dyan. Char. Pag bata, guys. Libre.
Isip bata lang tayo, pero hindi tayo bata.
Not bad, masaya pa rin siya dito.
Basta hindi malakas yung snow.
Oo. Yung kanina pagpasok natin sa malamig.
Yeah, it's giving ano natin.
Pulang-pula na talaga na windburn ka. Lagyan mo lotion yun mamaya. Okay, we're done. Back to the bus. Don't be late, guys. Nandito kami sa Otaru. Nando isang restaurant dito na pinakamalaki. Guys, diba? Repeat process ko na naman. Uy, lang dito ako sa harapan. Kasi masyado tayong harang sa daan. Dalawang katabi ko medyo cute.
Grabe!
Grabe, alam mo namang siya,
Cute.
napakali na dudulas.
Ever, kung gusto nyo.
Oo. Iba to, ito yung isang sikat.
Grocery kanin. Parang ano sa grocery. Ayan,
Ano,
yan.
Ivan?
Parang okay na to. Ayan.
Ayun no, Pei Yu Chang. It's like a fish. Ito yung mga menu natin, guys. Look at the menu. Sushi. Mga sushi. Let's go. May hamburg set. Ay, may mga ganitong hot food pala sila. And may chicken teriyaki. Ay, not bad, guys. So, may mga meat din. So, hindi lang siya fish. Itatanggal yung shoes. Ay. Ay, si Ivan, kakain na siya ng kanyang...
Kitame nun. Tama ba?
Ata. Parang.
Ay, nako.
Para ikaw tagakuha namin ng water.
Ay, kayo kumuha.
Oh, bunso ka. Wala kang magagawa.
Ha? Ano yung ever nakakain ko doon? Mahilig ako dito eh. Tatlo.
Parang lahat dito rin ko na.
May fave.
Sila ba yung ito na yung pinakauna?
Gutom na.
So, hindi ka mag-isas?
Kaya mo na.
Makikisaw-saw na lang ako. Pero ang galing ng... Mami Jax, di mo inaano yun sa'yo? Minimix.
Ano?
Kanya pa. Why?
Guys, dito kami kumain. So now we're going to walk straight. Tapos may station rin doon, if ever. Dami oh. Pwede lakarin lang, guys. Iba talaga siya pag snowy. Ito na siya, guys. So, this is it. This is the canal.
Maganda kayo.
Gawin. Hoy! Hoy! Oh, ganito daw yung fake photo spot, guys.
Okay, photo.
Ayun na si Ivan. Cute-cute. Keychain. Diyan kami kumain ni Rod kung naalala niyo dati. Sa gilid niyan. Kasi masarap yung seafood dyan.
Okay sa kanila. Ba't naigal?
Ang city yan. Guys, may mga cafe dito. Oh, may uji matcha. Yan yung mga gusto ko. Hindi yung...
Gusto na niya kumain.
Ganyan yung mga gusto.
Ganyan po
Walang
si Jack.
hiya to.
Kaya siya nag-open ng camera kasi mag-aaya na siyang kumain.
We have Bass cheesecake, guys. So, tingnan mo mga sikat niya, oh. Mga ganyan, oh. And then may cheesecake doon sa kabila, oh. Number 1, not for sale. Wala daw yan sa Chitose Airport, oh. Otaru, Hokkaido, Azuki. Yum. And then you also have this stuff inside here. Yung mga ganito. Oh, may cake, chocolate cake, maple. Yan yung mga magaganda. Tapos may ice cream ako nakita, guys. Yan yung mga gusto natin. Guys, they even have their own, no? Cafe. So here we can buy the ice cream. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Ito try natin siya. I think it's good. Hi! Sarap, red bean.
Jax, what's this?
Dito lang meron yung red bean.
Show the brand. Yan.
Kasi diba lang litaw ng litaw. Ito wala to sa Manila.
Sarap.
Ako gusto ko siya. I love red bean eh.
Pero hindi siya, for me, hindi super red bean. For someone na hindi mahilig sa red bean, gusto ko rin siya. Hindi siya parang lasang beans talaga. Ang dami kong sinabi. Vlog ko ba
Ivan
to?
gusto mo.
Hindi ako red bean.
Try mo,
Try mo
pero
to,
masarap.
try.
Masarap. Try mo lang.
Let me taste it. How much is this?
380?
380 daw, guys.
520?
Masarap, diba?
Ay, masarap. Masarap siya. Matamis, pero hindi ganong matamis.
Get more, Ivan. You eat. Growing child. My kitchen.
Growing child. My kitchen. My owner. Oh!
Ito guys, matcha store naman mo. Parang cute din siya. Then meron pa siya maganto. The best matcha tea powder. Ito yung shop. And ito try namin ni Kokoy.
This in my bag. Kasha ba?
Cute!
Can I get? Ang sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Sarap.
Okay pa, picture naman ako
Payat,
yan.
sarap. Thank you so much.
Pa-picture din ako.
Of course. Hindi akin, di ba?
Bench and all.
Hi guys! Alam niyo yan sa mga viewer ni Jax na nakikita ko dati. Mahilig ako sa matcha.
Guys, so may cream puff dito. Oh. Parang dami mo yung bili. Kita Karo! Ito yung sinasabi ni ate. Nakita Karo. Ito yun, guys. Meron mga ganyan. Ito yung nabibili. Na cheese. Dito pala yun. 490 isa. Ito yun, oh. Ito lang yun. Ay, ito yun, guys. Ito yung sikat. Oh my God, ang ganda. Love.
Nagpagulong-gulong sa snow.
哇，只貓就話正常啫，你
Ito na! Hindi ka na! Mamaya ko na tawagan pagdating sa kotse! Bilisan mo! 1 minute! Okay. Guys, ito na. We're in the park. Oo. Ayan na siya. Ayan, itong park na to, hindi ko pa doon napupuntahan dati. Pero cute nito, parang Christmas park. May mga castles, snow, and then may mga... It's so cute siya. I like it. Ganda niya. Then you have Christmas trees. Ayan o, ang cute. Tingnan nyo guys. Look. Ganda. Guys, ayun na yung show mo. Oh. So, ganyan yung show mo. So, at least, if ever ganito yung show mo. Dito ata ginagawa daw yung cookies. So, tingnan natin, guys. Bell of Happiness. Ang cute, oh. May ganyan. I think ang dami rin dito mo ibili ng mga food. Hintayin natin sila yan. So, may restroom rin dito daw. Pero I think, mga show siya. Pero dito, nakita ko, I think, pwede pumasok eh. Guys, ito na yung pwede ka bumili ng mga may bake shop. And then, Koibito, Shiroi Koibito Park. And then you can buy things here and here. Ito, you can buy. Ito ata sikat dito yung merong may cream puff.
Talaga, try na.
Kasi parang sikat yung cream puff. I sold out.
Ay, sold out na. Hindi naman. Ay, oo nga.
Hindi, meron pang Shiroi Koibito cream puff.
Yay! 360 yen. Para sa isang pirasong cream puff. You can use Geyser Gcash card to pay.
Ang sarap. Yung labas niya may parang nuts. Sarap.
Ganunin mo ako. Kasi
So good, so good.
Oh my gosh, this cafe, oh. Ang cute, guys. Got a curry puff. I got a curry puff. Gusto mo ko eh.
Curry?
Mm-mm.
Try, ba't ang bilis?
Kanya pa.
Malamig.
Mm-mm. Oh, you see that?
Sinisipon ka?
Oo, te.
We're done.
Sasalanan ni Maki.
We're done with the tour.
Kasi 2-7.
Nakakaganda yan ang
Talaga.
We're back. Hotel Ray. Tokyo Ray. Guys, dito sa may 3rd floor or 2nd floor ng Kokono, pwede ka mag-photo dyan kay Nika. O, diba? So, ito yung photo shot mo. I'm gonna try this. Ay, thank you naman. Sige, yun na lang. Salamat naman po, Archie. Hindi mo gagamitin, sure ka? Ang sarap nito ha, guys.
Pause, ikaw ba muna?
Shrimp.
May pantry ko dito. Padami ng padamihan naman. Hindi ko naman kinakain.
Morning, guys. So, I decided to go to the Hill of the Buddha today. And I actually like this kasi the architect is tama, Tadao Ando. I want to double check the pronunciation. So si Tadao Ando yung gumawa ng architecture like Church of the Light in Osaka. And sobrang he uses very hard elements but make it very soft. If you guys know what I mean. And ang ganda ng weather ngayon, nakakaloka. And it's also in all of my trips I try to add in time where I can pray or even just give thanks to a lot of things in life, di ba? Lahat ng mga napuntahan mo, lahat ng mga na-experience mo, lahat ng mga nangyari. So guys, you have to ride this station here, Makonomai, guys, and then take the south exit. Guys, we're here. Ito yung sikat ng mga parang Stonehenge figures. Yung mo kasing sobrang snow siya. And ang laki talaga ng figures mo na yan. Like bush. Laki. Ganda. Worth it. Sobrang worth it. Ang haba pa nito hanggang entrance pa yan. So, this is what it will look like. Grabe. Ganyan siya. Like, sobrang sulit. And kailangan mo lang tingnan yung bus schedule later. If ever. Kasi syempre yung bus mo yung way home mo. Kasi sobrang kapal ng snow. Like, tingnan nyo yung boots. So, 300 yen siya, guys, to enter. And then siya. You have to definitely pay here. So, mag-pay kayo 300 dyan. Ang ganda, oh. Di ba? Guys, may food sila here. So you can definitely eat. May ice cream pa. Oh. Guys, I got curry. And of course, may curry tayo. Spoon and fork tayo dyan. Guys, I got some incense for Dad. So I'm gonna bring it home. And lakad na tayo pabalik. Thaw na yung snow. There's so many other areas here. So definitely check it out. And I also had dinner. Lunch. I got the katsu curry. Okay naman siya. Oh, it's not a far walk from the gate pala, guys. So malapit lang. Then may mountain din dyan. Ang ganda! Basta, this place is so quiet and so solemn. My pro tip here is definitely check out the time. Kasi yung bus times nyo. Kasi if not, baka mahirapan kayo makauwi. Kasi yung importante talaga yung bus. Guys, ito yung entrance. So if the bus is 108, pasok siya diretso. 106 sa tapat. Guys, that's the bus stop. Yan o. Diyan. Daming tao na rin nakaintay. So that's the bus stop. Guys, and then dyan ka sasakay for your train. Kasi 106 stops here. Very easy. It's an easy place to go, guys. So, yeah. I recommend highly. It's the station. Ang ganda ng snow. Like, sobrang nice. Look at that flurry. Guys, I found the sushi place. Ito na siya. Nasa 6th floor siya ng mall. And then, 317 na ako. Ang number 247 pa lang. Pero let's try it. Ito na yung sushi, guys. So, almost 1.5 hours wait. Maliit lang siya. Malaki, pero dami tao lang. Guys, ganito mo i-fill out kung anong order mo. If ever may order ka. And then, I'll show you the menu. Pakipause na lang kasi medyo maliit siya. Yan. And then guys, lahat ng mga cakes that you need, chopsticks are here. And iyan na mo. Of course, you're right. Fairness, mas malaki talaga yung slices nila. Tingnan mo, sulit. Guys, malaki ng pieces nila. Tingnan mo. Sulit.
はい、ね、東京さん。東京、マグロお願いします。こっちは、ホタテ。タコシ。
Yan guys, look at their slices of salmon. Ang laki oh. Tuna. And you have premium tuna. So 3 times.
ไม่เกินก็มามองอ่ะล่ะฮะก็โอเค one
Gosh, like look at this tempura. Guys, let's try this and then this pa. Syempre guys, after eating, diba, doon sa sushi, that was 3-6 yung meal ko doon. Pero ang dami ko naman nakain. I must agree, as in big pieces talaga siya. So, if you can wait, why not, diba? Not bad. So, 3-6, medyo mahal rin siya. Pero ang dami ko naman nakain. Plus, ang daming quality talaga ng product. Ang lalaki ng slices. So, yun lang. Next time, you're in Japan, try it. Guys, tapos here, sa Susukino, meron rin mga night markets around here. So, dediretso ko lang from the exit number 4. And ito yung mga shops here, oh, like, food. Oh my gosh, that's the fat it. Dami. Oh my gosh, may mga drinks. Oh my gosh, dami. Yeah. Dami. Ayun, no. And pwede ka kumain. Ayun, no, you can eat here pa. In fairness. And there's even a bar there, oh, up front. Happy birthday, Maki. Happy birthday.
Birthday na ni Maki.
Ayan, oh.
Wait lang, dito kayo.
Sana ang
Ayoko po ako kay Oting.
Lagi ko na to Ano to? Strip siya or buo talaga?
Thank you here. Dito kami, libre ni Miss Maki. Okay, so today, private. Hello! Private transfer kami today. Kasi, tingnan natin, mga pwede mong puntahan na places. Medyo excited din ako. And, in fairness, the shoes ko today, hindi madulas ang on. So, yun yung pwede ko sabihin sa inyo, guys. This is our tour, our private transfer. Ito yon. So, with this, we can choose our trips and tours. O, diba? So, we're in Furano. Bake shop sa tabi lang. Outside the Dingle Terraces. And then, bili ako nito konti. Like fresh bread, ang bango dito, sobra. We're having lunch here in the Prince Hotel. Ito yung view, oh. Dito. Ito na guys, ang Dingle Terraces. Guys, Maki, gusto ko yung ganyan, no? Nagsusnow. Ito guys, is called the Ningle Ningles.
Ningle Terrace.
Ningle Terraces. So, it is a terrace. Lang yan. Pero mga shops talaga dito. And then, pulos lahat, bawal mo picturean yung mga products nila. Magagalit sila. Nakasulat sa labas ng shop.
Pwede kapag pupunta sila dito gabi kasi may mga ilaw, iba't ibang colors. So, tayo dito? Sige.
Pak! Oh, photographer. Pak! Ang daming mga shops dito. So, parang yung. And then, may mga by bars rin pala sa harapan, guys. So not bad. Cute. So, this is the Ningle Terraces. So, punta kami Shergani Lake. Tapos, guys, naka-Japan transfers pa rin kami. In fairness, pag ganito, is faster ka talaga because you can go to whatever places you want. Yun naman yung, di ba, the benefit of, you know, having your own transfer. Yun talaga siya. You know, this is 1 hour away.
Like there, ayun o, see that? There's a convenience store.
Ang cute to.
So,
nag-start sila.
Ito na yung pod. Ito na, ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda. Talaga, this one talaga. Ayan. Ang ganda naman. Please don't walk. Ang ganda. I like this. Ito, ang ganda. Hindi yung isa. Ito yung tama, guys. Ang ganda. Guys, ito magandang photo spot to kung saan sila nagpo-photo. Sa taas ka, and then yung nandyan yung mga shots nila dyan. So, the lake is not super frozen yet, but maganda na siya. And gusto ko ito yung very quiet lang kasi narinig mo yung mga streams of water. In fairness, free to pasok ka lang para makita mo. Diba medyo malayo siya, so either the tour, get a tour, or private transfer like what we did today, yun okay. But for private transfer, feeling ko yung malaking car, yung sulit. Kasi ang dami nyo pwede. So kung marami talaga kayo, yung mga masulit, if ever pupunta kayo, yun yung isang record. Diretso tayo to go to the waterfalls. Guys, meron rin bus stop dito sa Shirahige Waterfalls. Look, diba? Ayan na, ito siya Waterfalls created by volcanic eruptions pala siya. That's why.
High yung concentration niya ng metals. Kasi look at the water.
Blue na blue, no? And it's frozen talaga, guys. Ang ganda. Sulit. Tapos guys, ganito dapat yung angle kasi sila magaling mag-photo dyan. Tripod high angle down para boosh, kita mo yung buong waterfalls. Ganyan na gagawin nyo. Ayan Ganyan. Ayan yung waterfall, diba? Ganda. Lamig talaga, guys. Pero I love it, diba? So yes. Sadly yung rope, yung Moiwa, sarado kasi strong wind. So yun yung kailangan mo rin i-check. Kasi hindi pa talaga pwedeng pilitin kung sarado talaga. So yun lang, guys. Some pro tip if ever. Flying back to Tokyo. So check-in muna tayo sa JAL. And then pwede tayo mag-check-in dito sa counter. Drinks, nice. Ito yung Hotel Kowan at Tokyo. And look at the architecture. Ang ganda. And look, in front is the Skytree kaagad. So yes, malapit rin siya sa station. And syempre, tour ko kayo with the location of it. Yeah, this is your check-in. Nag-check-in na rin ako kanina. And then may lobby. And then wait, ito yung titingnan nyo. Ito yung breakfast area. But guys, drinks are all free here except for the alcohol. Pero may mga tea, and then may coffee, and then you have water, as in lahat. And then may snacks pa kayo. And then meron ko lahat ng mga toasters. Guys, yun yung tsura nila here. Parang kasal. Guys, ito yung room tour natin. Ang ganda So pagpasok mo pa lang, nandito na lahat ng cups mo, toiletries, hair dryer, spray, shoehorn. And then, it's a good use of the space. And kung nakita nyo to, do not disturb. Please make up room. Diba? And then, here is your bathroom, restroom mo. Hooks. Yes, may bidet for those who are asking. Lahat naman sa Japan meron. And of course, your shower with your body wash, body soap, shampoo, and then conditioner. Then outside is your sink with a mirror. And yes, hand soap is also provided. Nandyan siya. Hooks are here. Diba? And then, may slippers na rin siya provided. Yung luggage mo dito talaga siya kakasya. This is not a very big room. Pero guys, maganda naman siya, diba? Work station mo, table mo, and ang cute na naman ito. Nandyan yung mugs. Water kettle or heater. And then your spoons. Ang cute. Plastic. And then here, you have coffee as well. Then here, my TV ka with all of your things that you need, information, the concepts, etc. Water is also provided free of charge yan. And you have a mini fridge down there. And let's say a stool or a table here. Diba? Chair mo pala yan, sorry. This is your chair. Mukha siyang ottoman kasi. And then, ito yung bed ko. Double ang kinuha ko. Guys, ang cute. Lahat ng mga lights mo, pwede mo adjust dito as well. Reading lamps are provided. And then, dito, may saksakan. And then, nandito yung lock mo. Ang ganda, diba? Parang space saver talaga. And then, you have your flashlight. And then, bathrobes, towels, nandito na siya, TV. And, guys, gusto nyo malaman kung anong view ko? Hindi grocery. Nandyan ang Tokyo Skytree. O, diba? So yes, ganda niyan. Oh. It's one at Tokyo to. And if you book early, syempre, you can get it on a cheaper price. May station beside it. And then not only that, diba, ang kagandahan pa dito, guys. Maganda yung view mo, maganda yung room, and then, very quiet yung neighborhood. So if you want something quiet, you can opt to go here. And not only that, 24/7 yung drinks mo. Yung kanina pinakita ko sa baba, unlimited yan. So bahala ka sa buhay mo. If you wanna drink all of that, go. Maraming juices, malapit sa station. Diba? Love the area. Ganda. Okay. I'm gonna explore more. Tapos may roof deck pa tayo pupuntahanin na bit. Guys, ang ganda. Like, look. My gosh. Tokyo Skytree talaga. My gosh, ang ganda. And then here you can sit as well. Wow, malamig. Ganda. Kasi gabi na, and you know, I need, alam mo yung parang katawan mo, naghanap ng fiber, so, meron kang mabibiling ganitong salad. Siyempre, it's not the cheapest, like, but, masarap naman siya, like cabbage, then you can buy dressing. I love it. And then may breakfast daw dito, complimentary. So I wanna wake up early. And ibibigay ko pala yung bag ko sa transporter kasi meron yung luggage service. So by 9 AM kailangan ko ilagay yung bags ko, nakatag yan. And then pipick upin yun ng transport service na yan. Tapos sa Narita ko na siya kukunin para mas less hassle ako. Roughly, lalabas mo 1,000 per bag siya. If you want to do it, go. If you want to carry it yourself, pwede rin naman. This is more of like paying for convenience. So I'm just giving you guys options kung ano yung mas gusto nyo. So if you want convenient, this is very convenient. Kasi yung hand carry ko lang dadalhin ko papunta ako sa airport. I'll take the train or I'll take the bus, whatever. Hindi ko na kailangan din yung mga bags ko. Yun lang naman yun. Pero kung marami naman kayo, kung kaya nyo, you can save that money lang naman. Yun lang. Good morning, guys. So, iwan ko yung luggage ko sa baba. Kasi I got the luggage service, diba? So, before 9, dapat lagay-lagay na yan. Tapos, i-upload mo yung mga pictures as well. Guys, ayun selection nila for breakfast. You have bread, and then juices, and your coffee pa rin, and then your tea. Ang dami ng tea selection. Tingnan mo. Grabe, diba? And then, syempre, I'm heating the bread that I want. At maaga gising ko, girl, game. Ito yung gusto kong oven toaster ng Japan. So, nalagay ko na yung bag. And then now, i-upload ko na yung photos ng ng airport there, guys. So, what I'm gonna do, you have to put in your details kasi. And then upload mo yung photo mo, and then upload ko rin yung booking confirmation ko, sa hotel, and then room number, and then save successfully. Okay, let's try katsu kasi sikat siya. So tinatay ko masarap talaga siya. Katsudon ko lang siya, and parang lagi mo siya makikita on. So let's see. So guys, dito mo kukunin yung bags nyo. dyan sa may JAL na yan. And then, I have here the code. Kasi diba, ito yung email sa atin. And then, it should be there. O, dyan siya. If I'm not mistaken, it should be still the same way. Bags natin. O, diba? Our bags. And that's it. Check-in na tayo, guys. I'm so excited because we're riding again. We're riding business kay JAL. So, we're going to see the Sakura Lounge in Narita. So, main hub nila to. So, I'm expecting maganda yung lounge nila. Ayan na. You're here. The JAL Lounge is just here. I love it. Guys, ito lahat ng food here. Oh. Like you have all the crackers. Then you also have all of your different drinks here. Guys, naka-iPhone ako right now kasi medyo crowded. And then lahat ng drinks is also here with your beers, diba? And then lahat ng mga juices. Guys, all the phone booths are also here. And may restroom ka rin naman. Guys, this is the other wing. Ang laki talaga ng wings niya. Guys, you can even leave your yung mga baggage here or if ever you want. Guys, may third for dining pa sila, o diba? Ayan options nyo, guys. See? Let's try. Same sa Manila. Sige, try natin siya. Not bad. Guys, gyudon naman tayo with curry and trifle. Naku, kain lang tayo ng kain sa vlog na to. Sabihan na naman yun na ako na Jax, kain ka ng kain. Sorry naman, guys. Mahilig talaga ako kumain. And paminsan talaga, pag nagtatravel ako, kumakain talaga ako. So, guys, masarap tong gyudon niya. Not bad. Kasi Japanese rice rin kasi ginagamit. Kaya ang sarap. Mas masarap food nila dito kasi sa kanila. Yun yung masasabi ko sa inyo. Pero daming tao, pero ang saya. I'm excited for my flight later. Even this, sarap. Fly. I'm going back home. I'm so happy. 10 araw na rin ako, guys, sa Japan. Hindi ko na kaya, nag-t-shirt na ako. Kita niyo mo kasi parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, hindi ko na kaya. Malamig, konting lamig lang to. Then afterwards, pagdating sa Manila, mainit. So, okay na yan, di ba? Let's go! 8A! Pag Manila route na Manila, it's the same that they used back then na aircraft natin from Manila to Narita. So, same lahat. Pero now, I got the window side. Kasi yung una, diba, kinuha ko yung medyo nasa aisle side. So, mas cute pag nasa window side ka. But I'll give you all of the different things that you need to see later in a bit. The same pa rin ng inclusion mo at binigay. You get the blanket. And then you also still get your headphones. And you still get your purse on the seat. So, ganito siya. Get your windows. Plugs mo will be here, USB is here, switches mo, and then your big TV is in here. O, diba? Okay, so this TV, I think, is nasa 21-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Your magazines are here. You have a small ottoman-ish. This is where you're gonna put your legs, your plugs, USB, your TV's here, and then all of your remote controls are here. Then your earplugs, your light, and then, guys, 2 mirrors, or 2 windows, I mean. Then the windows nito, since it's a Dreamliner, yung dimmable lang siya. So with this, sobrang private na yung wall mo, diba? Because you're not gonna see whoever is beside you and you can do it. And medyo right now, I can video kasi guys, syempre, diba, medyo alam mo naman guys, mailang. Very shy ako. So, naiilang ako kung nag-video ako. And of course, I don't want people to also feel na naiilang sila because baka mahagip sa camera. So, I'm very conscious about that as well. Because we have to respect the privacy of a lot of people and also people around us. Cheers, guys. Celebrating this again with you. Itadakimasu. So, sukiyaki siya. Oh my gosh. I got the special meal. You have miso soup as well here. Cutleries are giving. You even have an egg for your sukiyaki. And a small bento. And of course, this is actually rice. Kanin to, guys. Ang ganda ng everything here for you. They are well placed. It's like, this is your meal. You have your soup, you have your bento, you have your sukiyaki, then you have your rice, and then your egg, and of course your cutlery here. Sinabi mo pag yan na yan. Oh my gosh, this is like one of the best meals that I have had. Like, ubos ang food ko. And grabe. Busog na ako. It's been a nice flight. And tinuro ko naman sa inyo kanina while I was eating kung ano yung mga ways that you can book this flight. And abang tayo yung mga promos na gano'n, diba? Yung mga fast track, I kinda excited. Pero so far, JAL, parang overall, kahit na crowded yung lounge niya, maganda pa rin siya if we're going to Japan. ANA is also good, don't get me wrong. It's just that parang may something dito nakakaiba. Even I remember back then nung economy ako sa JAL, maganda rin siya eh, that's why. But I haven't tried the ANA business, so that's one thing that I need to try pa. Anyways, that's for another video, and I hope na enjoy nyo to. I'll see you guys when I land in Manila. Arigato gozaimasu! Thank you so much! Arigato, thank you! Oh my God! I'm so happy! Tingnan mo naman! Oh my gosh! Oh my God, Mom! First time.